Is your wall cracked and bowing in? We start by breaking out the floor where the braces will be installed, and note the crack the customer asked that we seal cosmetically. Then we measure and cut the braces on site for a custom fit. Where other companies use wood, at KC Pier, we use steel to anchor the braces and span multiple floor joists to provide the best support. Because all of our installers are professionally trained, we can custom fit our solutions around any obstacles by making minor adjustments. Here we had to remove a small segment of the 2x4 from an old wall in order for the steel support plate to be installed properly. Precise fit every time thanks to all of our crews being trained in-house and not just using subcontractors. Now to anchor the plate, again spanning multiple joists. Now to measure the bottom of the brace to continue the custom fit. Cut the custom bottom brace and get the final segments a tight fit in the floor. Now to concrete over the holes in the floor and wrap this project up. We also sealed this crack with caulk to provide the homeowner a more aesthetically pleasing space. The final result is a clean, well-supported wall covered by KC Pier's 5-year warranty against further inward movement.